Yummy laksa?
Yeah,
Had enough?
Your turn, Lee. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Georgie, Georgie.
You want to join the band, Lee?
she might do better in the band.
Let's do the tumble. How's it going, Django?
Just needs a bit more practice.
Like Fredo. He wants to sing in the show.
He can't sing.
That's why we need Django.
To help Fredo. Oh, I love